Hey everyone, it is Wednesday, April 24th, 2019. Spring cleaning. I know I said in my last video that I want to do a lot of things outdoors, film things that I do outside, but what I'm going to do in my truck pertains to the outdoors, cleaning it out. It's been since fall, winter. I got jackets in here from hunting and work, work. All that little stuff that starts adding up in a crew cab. But yeah, shotgun shells. 3 of them, from goose hunting, I think 2 years ago. Then I got some raccoon lure for trapping. That's still in here from fall. Brand new bottle, never opened. Then trap, foothold trap. Then I got a clock that I need to put up in my barn. I don't know what to call it. My barn, my fur shed, garage. Because look, it's a barn. I don't know what to call it. It's a barn, but a nickname for it, fur shed. But I got this clock that I need to put up, take out, put in my barn. Seat cushion for hunting. Binoculars. Blaze orange hunting jacket for deer hunting. What else do I got back here? Headlamp. Trail camera. Hang on. Rifle cartridges. Trap wax. There's more. Scent killer from when I was on my bear hunt in September is now April. Almost May. Camouflage jacket from September. Like I said, it's May. Earmuffs. For shooting! .22 cartridges. Targets. What the hell is this doing in here? It's a razor. Put that aside. I cut myself. Rain jacket. I can't grab this. What I got is a body safety harness. Safety glasses for work. Oh, trapping supplies, new and used traps. So yeah, spring cleaning has to get done. So what I got now is a washcloth, dish rag, soap and water to get all the dust that I had from work. It's a dusty place there, so yeah. So I'm gonna clean this up, try to get rid of all the dust. Knock that down a little bit because it's just going to add up some more. It's really dusty where I work, so it's kind of a pain in the backside. Just kind of make it look nice too and presentable. What, for me? Yeah. So what? But can't think of any jokes. I don't know if yeah, it's more of a pun. But one windmill asked the other windmill, what kind of music you like? The other windmill said, I'm a big metal fan. Yeah, it didn't turn out the way I wanted it, but well, I'm gonna call this a video. Keep cleaning, get this all done so looks nice. Like always, I was informed, not just thank a veteran, thank an active military member also. God bless. See ya.